Okay, driver's side front tire dismounted, being rotated to the back. I use a screwdriver to get all the little rocks out, or most of them anyway. Okay, I guess I missed a few. Okay, that's it. So I noticed that over here, there's more wear on the inside. Although, to tell you the truth, I had some of that from before, so I don't know how much is new. I have had an alignment done on the car. Okay, front driver brake pads. I mean, the back one's covered up. The outside one looks great. It looks like this one would be okay as well. Okay, this is real curious. When I put the car down on the jack stand, this nut came out. KXW 5.0, 5.8, one of the two. I don't know. I don't see any spot where it could have come from. All right, driver's side rear tire. I also have the wearing on the inside. And that is the reason why I got the alignment in the first place. Okay, there we go. All inspected. I'm thinking I'll have to schedule a tire replacement, probably sometime in spring. Okay, for those wondering, here's the brake pads. They look like they have life in them. That one definitely does. This one's kind of covered up. You can't see it exactly, but it looks good. Okay, let's take a look at the passenger side front. It's interesting, this isn't worn down quite as much as the driver's side. But I didn't find any nails. And yes, there are pebbles that I've taken out, but that's it. Okay, looks good. Okay, passenger front brake. Looks good. Okay, rear passenger. There is some excessive wear over here, but not as much as on the driver's side. Okay. Okay, passenger rear brakes. Yeah, this looks fairly decent. Okay. Sorry, I'm just noticing that there's a little red thing here. I don't know. Okay, we'll review later the video when we get it all done. Okay, and to finish up, I had some windshield wiper washer fluid. Took about half gallon, so it's been a while.